Hi, once again, we would like to thank you and welcome you to the R-Clubhouse test drive. We're excited about this new version of the software, and we appreciate your help in surfacing any issues that may exist within the software before we brought it to production. And we know that we will find some things and you will help us. We've organized this so that we can try to keep the information organized to give you the most autonomy. So we will have a totally separate test area where we'll have a small group testing out the banner, club menu, and email. And then in the test area that I'll show you in a minute, we have some shared information, namely for members, events, and pictures and links. And what we mean by that is that if you click membership list or the calendar, you will see everybody's members and everybody's events. And the way in which we would like you to be able to distinguish between your members or your events is to prefix each of those with your club number. And then for testing articles, pages, and events, particular information, we would like you to basically go to your area for testing that has been designated for your club. So in doing that, we believe that we can have a number of different clubs successfully using one domain in order to do the testing. And what we would appreciate is if any issues that you do find, you go to the top navigation bar and click the report an issue over there. Again, we want to thank you, and we will look towards having you come and enter this test area. This is basically what it'll look like. We have some testing hints and procedures here on the left. I'd like you to go through those and see there. This will be a copy of the video that you're currently watching. And here we will have a list of any known problems that have surfaced during the testing. And if you wish to, let's say we wanted to go to Club 12's test area, what we do is go to the list here, click that. And this is a dedicated page for Club 12, where we have already some upcoming events, and an area where in columns left and center and right, you can add articles or pages as you choose to without restriction. And this is what the top navigation bar looks like. As you can see, you have all of the things you have in production, calendar, members. You can set up slideshows. Again, preface these things with your club number, your account and event information. The club menu will not be available for testing here because that in the banner would impact everybody. And then similarly with email, log, and archives. This is the report an issue click that I mentioned before. And there's a video to show you how to quickly do that. So any certain issues you find, please use this, and I and Mark will, as the webmasters for this environment, will get them. You have the ability to contact your club, see who the club officers are. And again, this is for the overall environment. And you can set up a vote. And again, this would be for the everybody. So you'd want to preface this with your club number, log out, and then officer menu. And as an officer, you will have access to all of the functions that you have now, with the exception of club. And the reason for that is we're in one shared environment, and we like not what you do to change what things look like for somebody else without them knowing what's causing that. So in a nutshell, that's what we will do. We'll ask you to do the kinds of things you've done as for your club: set up new articles, set up new pages, set up new members. As an officer, exercise all your officer functions. You can establish new members for your club to help you with the testing. So we have everything available to you, and hopefully a successful mechanism that over 2 weeks you can put as much time as you can and have fun testing out the new software. Thanks again, and I look forward to chatting with you and reporting back to you on the results that we find. Bye-bye.